Manipurna inner line permit digital system khiraira Imphal airport li ILP kiosk lehaira Manipur li pandak le projects takda sakhavai development of northeastern regions union ministers na state sarkar li jizami haira Lekhyang Thor Aje Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamitale pau bing may saina nangrumsa Administrative kala digital governance mikhavai sada Manipur na digital ILP hapokhaura inner line permit ILP mingchen kasagala miga shock system je digital ina Imphal airport li le haira kata hanga System ka thirjina stately raka zang wuivang ILPs ka khwili komeng sagra atam mazang meng sagmara Airport digital ILP kiosk haimida registrations process minute kathum shikwalungli kupsangra dahanga Digital kiosk khangaranji review sakavai Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh IAS na seniors officials kala Imphal Airport Director linga soda site visit saira Atam na system jo ot kasat de sada takta process sagachap chili ningyang khong sampangachi Officials na kahang Chikata digital ILP kiosk chiripam kala mau entry points sila masangna haimi haura Digital system khwikara hina Manipur rakazang bingli katom kami mang maningla ILP regimes regulatory frameworks kasurli malingmenga sakra kachi state sarkarna shitkasangna Northeastern Council NEC na Manipur li khwikada khalei projects being takta sakhavai development of Northeastern regions donor Union Ministers Joydia Didia M Sindhya da Manipur sarkar li jizami haira Ministry juwa jingli zadda khalei project ngada date we kashok zang ngasanda aya Raj Bhavan Imphal li high level review kazip pam kazip ji Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalaina Union Minister Sindhya na chair sada Sindhya na online na ngaruma review ka sajili Union ministers na take a quick kala feedback niya. Donor kala NEC supported projects zadda khalei mga khawa kala kahap khalei maram Chief Secretary BK Singh na hangjithaya. Review ji handloom and handicraft textile polo promotion tourism development transport connectivity mathaka sang palm oil cultivations logistic and infrastructure malinkame investment promotions hikadawe maram nasanaji. PMO priority projects pingala kahap kaban leida clay projects takta kupsang khavai ngasan hairaji Union Ministers Indiana kakathong ji shurda project atam jada kala mapung phada kupsang khavai Governor Phalana concerned department saikorali jizami haira Kazip ji secretary to the Governor Principal Chief Conservators of Forest Senior Administrative Secretaries pingala Northeastern Council we officials pingla video conference in Shirokuya Ukhrul District de Khalei JNV Ramvali Class 6 Tamkhawai online application hotele PM Shri School Jawahal Novatya Vidyalaya Ramva Ukhrul 1 to a session 2026 to 27 Class 6 Tamkhawai selection test Saura Class 6 selection test che Ajigum Kayon December direct Trada Katum Tang Rumira Poreka wuivang application July Marangachang Yuitarik Magada Chikona Kana was Mikshong Asara Selection test wuivang candidates 2014 kum May Karam Tarik Akha ina hapokta 2016 July Marang Tarik Tumrada Akha ina Tangda we Halungli Kapara na Saflungra. Academic session 2024 to 25 class 5 Tamkahai Pas Sakahiping selection test hili Mazang Paimara. Kala candidates Ukhrul district we ina class 5 full academic sessions Tampalungra. Selection test candidates akana khanishida apply masabaimara repeat kasathe ka selection test che mathang sakmara PM Shri School Jawahal Novatya Vidyalaya Ramva Ukhrul 1 go educational residential school na Chili Free Education Board kala lodging niya NCC Scout and Guides games and sports hikata hai niya Class 6 Tamkhawai selection test with registrations wuivang website cbse.itms.rcil.government.in nvsli mivapaira help text jingsho zimikli 70054951121 kala w daneshyamtli 811894232 li ngahan paira Rims Imphal Virdopsi centers kala cold room lehaira kache pau sampangairam ID Power the Regional Institute of Medical Science Streams, Lamphel with Department of Forensic Medicines and Toxicology li mathala kahai facilities khani Virdopsy Centers kala Gold Room ajuwe tarik thrada matile tharkat kagi dale. Hi Manipur mang maningla Northeast li Forensic Medical Infrastructure kamatha khwikharang asarang. Officials at the Gold Room je assemble saping haira kala China mortuary capacity matai kasang asarang. Reader Rims mortuary freezers akamang da katingun tharuk mang sangshap sayaji. Facility katharji leda ara katingun hangmati gada sangpaira da hanga. Virdopsy Centers China non-invasive high-resolution post-mortem examinations lenga sagra da hanga. Forensic experts pina virtual autopsies la sabai haura da hanga. Agab le hailala Virdopsy Centers trained doctors like hitharan singpok naura. Wuivang doctors being Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science Shillong specialized instructions khuira da hanga. Northeast India li Virdopsy Centers kahai Meghalaya we Nikrims na khare Manipur na kakhane ngasar. Extrajudicial Execution Victims Families Associations Manipur EEVFAM we Trada Katuruka Foundation te aya Lam Yambam Sangland Palace Compound Imphali Mayon Haira Victims Pingwi Mashun li Khaya Shilu Kaji Hina to Guisada Simik Shoche alleged fake encounters likati victims pingli Paning via Extrajudicial Execution Victims Families Association China Justice Kala Accountability Wuivang Ningshen Kaji Pongshoka Gazibjili United Nations Guiding Principle of Internal Displacement Kaho Human Rights Alert Manipur International Youth Centers Kala Youth Collective Manipur na Kampal Kasa Apora Pongmi Angranange Chili Manipur Human Rights Commission's member Kanjam Kagendra Singh na Masawasada Bazanga EEVFAM President Rinu Takelampam na associations chui Ningrin Hangjitaida state violence with victims ping wuivang mashun khangatan kala institutional accountability lengasak ot sawa shumra kachi hanga Assam shong arishangli sarant lupa khavat wuivang da kachingun mami ka shok masapai marada Assam shorkar na chahaira Medical bills makashant la mavakapei hitharan arishangna katingun mami kashok masapai manakachi Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma na hanga. Maram hili cabinet tuida kata that certifications eina pung khani walungli hospitals pingna katingun mishok phulungra kachi hanghaira. Payment banrano mabanrano katingun ji private arishang pingna pung khani walungli mishoki kachina. Jililang da atam zanghayaka ban elections parbayada Sarma na hanga. State Shorkarna Tamika High Kashur Magashur Takavai 24/7 toll free helpline 104 launch Sahara Jirishim Kurbina report Sabairaji Complaints District Health Officer Local Police Kala Hospital we grievance cell na Yangsang Mirad Hanga Jizi Kamiji Magashur Arishang we license Kajang Nathum Maninka Taruk Wuivang suspend Samipai Fine Lupa Lak Pangakada Parpaya Kaji Hang Matin Haira Mawon Sakahai Tangjamt Manorama we Magada Akka Kakashung Kati anniversary aya Bonam Kampu Community Hall Mayon Haira Angranang Yeji Tangjamt Manorama Memorial Charitable Trust Kala Abunba Loop Manipur na Makokmia Armed Force Special Power Act of SPA 1958 we Pangshap aina 17 Assam Rifles na tuka kwili ngasunda tigasang mawon sakahai we Kati maram ni achi rashungda mashun bichar masam pangrangata ang ranang e chili kakhanang maring kapapong shoka. Itumna paniung by Manorama li sagathat ocho chiwena Manipur mang maningla India with human rights totrin chan ni mamalaiki kachi merabai bis na Assam saina protestada afspa kwikatwi demand kasa ochot shokhaira. Kati anniversary chili fakazang yarina Manorama li kaya kashi floral tribute miroga. Aji rashungda state hili afspa haida khalei li abunba loop Manipur coordinator Pulindro Konsam na condemn sai ekchue manga ina human rights violations shokli jida kayona bingle accountability we ina ngakmi hawa kachi hangam afspa we jingni yari kachot kachang phungda khalei hi mathada mayang sang miranga da Konsam na elected representative ping kasaina ka pam ka hailila makhmya phongshoka Thangjamt Manorama li paning khung mashun wuivang ngarabing Manorama we memory hi state operations de kangasung amahang saragaji pongshokira. Manipur COVID-19 positive case Shagatum Trada Jishat Kashunghaira. State Health and Family Welfare Department Nayami Kashok report li yangaka Tarik Traina Trada Kawelungli positive Chiko Shokam. Case Katarji Imphal Eastli Madi, Bishnupurli Madi, Tobali Aka Kashokna. Fresh case Chizangda, Saikorong Rumlaka, Manipuri positive case Shakatum Trada Jishat Kakahaina. Machine him Kukajang with Tarik Akawina, Shankapogna. He will lungli COVID in a Gati report Malaymana. Ayawi report Atishuda Manipur positive case Tumrada Jishat active sadale. Pangari Shangina discharge Saira, Tumrada through Shimling Hadale. Latrita Ajiwi Kamataya Pauping. Manipurna Inner Line Permit Digital System Kwiraira, Imphal Airport li ILP Kiosk Lehaira. Manipur li Pandakle projects Takda Sakhavai, Development of Northeastern Regions, Union Ministers na State Chorkali Tizamihaira. Ajiwi Pau Hilinga Janghaira, Pau Nadalintum Saikorali, Ringyaophi Kalakamai, Simikshong Sasi.